Okay, here we are again. This is Dave Gardner with MagneticSponsors.com. Again, if you have any questions, DaveGardner at MagneticSponsors.com. You can send me an email and I'll help you out. Now, we just set up, of course, your website. We just also set up your web host manager. Got your account going, and you should have gotten an email that basically said what was going on. If I go back into my saved emails, if I can find that, I just got it a couple minutes ago. You see something like this from cPanel, and it'll say new account on GVO data center, so on and so forth, with your website, and it has the same information you just saw on the previous page. Now, if you go at this point and actually type in your actual web domain, like I did right here, $2secret.com, what you should get is something similar to this. Basically, there's no website. There's not really anything existing. It's just pointing to where you want it to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring this, I'm going to close this one down. We're going to go into the cPanel. And if you hear kids screaming in the background, I apologize. I'm at home today, and I got a couple kids, 3 girls. This is what I do online marketing for, so eventually I can stay home with them even more and get my wife to be able to stay home as well. So the password and the username that you developed before, you're going to enter in here to get into your cPanel, and it's going to bring you in. Now, what you're going to really do, I mean, sometimes there's a pop-up window. I don't know why it didn't show up this time, probably because I just logged in a minute ago. But it'll ask if you want any help. Usually I say no. One of the main things that we're looking for here over the next couple minutes, which kind of tie into a couple videos. I'm going to kind of lump in a couple things together. But what we want to do first here is this file manager. And we're going to click, notice the only one that shows up is the site that I have. We're just going to click go. And it's going to bring me to basically a whole bunch of nothing. Okay, this is auto-populated. I want to add a new file, which is going to be the Index.html. And that's going to basically be where your site is found. Now, notice that I saved it. If we go back here and I type in the website again, let's get out of my email. If I type in $2secret.com, okay, it just pops up already. If I type it up now, look at nothing is there. Okay, so it's totally changed. Now it's kind of hidden for somebody actually accessing my material. So we're going to go change it again. And if I click on it again, and if I go into the HTML editor, this is going to allow me to do basically, what you see is what you get, a little WYSIWYG action. And I have all different things I can use for. There's other things like Composer or EndView you can use and then bring in, or Dreamweaver. There's a lot of different things here, but just a little quick something here. Welcome to the $2 Secret. Okay, I'm just going to bring this over here. I'm going to center it, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And let's see, I'm gonna highlight it with yellow. Okay, so there's all this that we can do, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quick save it. Notice you got success down there at the bottom. I'm gonna go back to that original page, and I'm gonna click the refresh button, and there it is. Okay, now you can basically use whatever you want. You can add in any code. The whole goal, though, is we want to make an autoresponder. So I'm just going to quick run you through that as well. And hopefully the kids screaming in the background aren't too crazy. But what we're looking for is the autoresponder. Make sure I'm following my notes here quick. We might put this off to the next video. I think I will. I will edit this last part, and we will stop with that, make it quick and easy. Just showing you what you're doing with that first one. When you're done, you can go through, you can check in other ways, you can edit. If you just want to look at the actual code, you can edit. And basically, if you are a master of HTML, basically all of that just looks like this. We got things about the background, the color, okay, the size, and sometimes you can interpret that and figure it out, but try to keep it simple. So again, that's just getting you set up. Wait for the next video, and we'll do the one of the next videos we'll do the autoresponder. So sorry about that mistake, but I'd rather just do it in little snips and keep things simple.